Since 2013, my government has been very focused on trying to ensure that 100% food and nutrition security is actually attained. And we've put in place various measures, including programs for food and crop diversification. We have an e-voucher program that supports staple crop farming, and as well as farmers in the livestock and dairy value chain as well. We've also put in place programs that encourage the growth of indigenous food crops, such as sorghum, millet, and cassava. And we're also encouraging people to embrace the growth and consumption of indigenous vegetables, another more nutritious other than conventional vegetables. And this, I believe, is very critical, especially for all those of us in arid and semi-arid areas. We've also been moving towards flour blending and flour fortification policies that are encouraging millers to blend our staple maize flour with either cassava, millet, and beans and other type of crops as well. And I believe that all of this will not only help in commercializing such crops, but will also bolster our efforts towards our nutrition outcomes as well. And in this, we're working both as a national government together with our county governments to develop elaborate training systems as well, and to also have a good number of extension workers who are out there on nutrition-sensitive agriculture. And we're also looking, as I said in my speech earlier, at having more youth participation in the provision of both digital extension work, advisory services, but also engage in agriculture directly themselves. During this COVID-19 period, especially at the height of lockdown, we also started looking into other areas, and one of the programs that we started was the distribution of materials to start 1 million kitchen gardens across especially our urban areas that were hardest hit during the lockdown process. And this is something that we're also continuing to focus ourselves on, to also ensure that the urban working people are also able to be food secure in their respective areas. And this is a program that we're also looking at. We're also putting in place programs that will ensure that loss also occasioned by weather or disease-related shocks, we're also able to insure our farmers so that they are able to overcome the risks that sometimes occur as a result of unexpected shocks, either weather or disease related. And we're trying to move towards de-risking agriculture as well and making it a much more secure space where we can have a situation where our farmers are guaranteed their livelihoods.